vaaki va Kenya a va nga ha boheki ku tirhisa visa ku endzela Afrika-Dzonga. President Ramaphosa na ntangha yakwe hi ntirho President William Ruto veri lawa i masungulo yantshwa naswona swi ta pfuna loko swi ta eka vupfhumba.
With a view of allowing Kenyans to be able to visit South Africa on a free visa basis, that is without having visas, we agreed that indeed Kenyans should be able to visit South Africa without requiring them to have visas, and that this dispensation will commence on the 1st of January in 2023.
Kenyans holding ordinary passports will be allowed to enter South Africa on a visa-free regime for up to 90 days per calendar year.
Varhangeri lavambirhi va tlhele va sola swinene madzolonga lama nga kona ematikweni ya DRC, Ethiopia na Sahel.
We agree on the need for peace and stability in our continent and the ending of conflicts within and between states.
These conflicts cause suffering, disorder, and lead to unsafe migration and weakening of states.
Lavambirhi va ha ku vuya eka nhlengeletano yo cinca ka mbangu eEgypt naswona veri matiko ya misava ya langutana xiyimo xo tika.
As it often happens with fossil fuel generated power stations, they reach the end of their lives, and it's our decision whether we want to be ahead of the curve or not and embark on new and renewable green energy sources.
While we know the wrongs of the past, we can right them by doing the right thing now going into the future. And that is why South Africa is talking about just transition.
Afrika-Dzonga na Kenya va tlhele va tiyisisa nakambe leswaku ririmi ra Kiswahili ri ta dyondziwa laha Afrika-Dzonga.